Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from stock market fluctuations with DoorDash step by step clearly. To recover from stock market fluctuations with DoorDash, start by assessing your current financial situation. Review your investment portfolio to understand your exposure to market volatility. Identify losses that have occurred due to recent fluctuations. Next, evaluate your immediate cash flow needs. Determine how much money can be allocated to alternative income sources. Consider utilizing DoorDash as a supplementary income stream. Sign up for a DoorDash driver account online or through the app. Complete the necessary background check and onboarding process. Once approved, select a flexible schedule that suits your lifestyle. Begin by familiarizing yourself with your delivery zone. Learn the peak hours in busy areas to maximize earnings. Use the app's features to track highest paying orders. Engage in excellent customer service to boost your ratings. Incorporate strategic planning, keep an eye on local events that may increase demand. Set realistic daily and weekly income goals for motivation. Reinvest a portion of your DoorDash earnings into your investment portfolio. Consider diversifying your investments to mitigate future risks. Regularly review both your DoorDash earnings and stock portfolio performance. Adjust your strategies based on market conditions and income results. Continually educate yourself on market trends and DoorDash best practices. As your financial situation improves, reassess your investment strategy for growth. Stay patient. Recovery from market fluctuations takes time and careful planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.